Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. Now I got this over on banggood.com for not very much money. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested, but this device was not very expensive at all. Beautiful red color here. Have some Mi branding there. The very bottom here, if I get in a little close, 5.99 inch display, 4000 mAh battery, which is very nice. 18:9 screen aspect ratio. On this side of the box, 5 Plus, nothing on top, some information here. And on the back of the box, on the bottom, some more info, so you can pause the video and read that if you want. So let's just get into the box right now. What do we get in here? We get this little thing. Oh, check this out. We get a clear case with the device. Pretty good considering the price of the handset. Now companies should start doing this. Samsung, LG, everybody else, they should include at least a simple case to help the customer protect their brand new device. Pretty cool. I like it when they do this. And that's it. That's all we get in here. And whoa, look at this. This is the phone. Got it in white. Very nice. Flip it over. Have some more info here. Okay, we'll get into this in a second. Let me just turn it on right now. Mi, put that right here. What else do we get in here? We get the SIM ejection tool in there. See that? And there's nothing else in here. Nope. Here we have your charging brick. And here we have your USB cable. Phone making some noises and my UI 9, which is very nice. And here's the USB cable. Your big USB and your old type USB on the bottom, which is a little bit annoying. I was kind of hoping for Type C, but considering the price of the handset, not really tripping that much. Anyway, put all this away. And this is the device. Now time to take the plastic off. There you go. Nice gold color here. Fingerprint scanner, camera, and your flash back here. Volume rocker and the power button on this side of the phone. Up front, you have your 6-inch display, 1080p resolution. You have your sensors up here, earpiece. Right here, you have your SIM slot on the bottom. Again, the old type USB. And that's where your speaker is. I doubt these are stereo speakers. One of them is just a speaker. The other is probably for design. So let's go through the setup real fast. Here we go with the fingerprint and add the fingerprint. Let's check out the fingerprint scanner real fast. Nice and fast. Now getting the outside of my finger. And here we go. Press OK. Very nice. And we are in! Go into the settings real fast, see what type of Android we get. Android version 7.1.2, and it looks like we have the November 1st, 2017 security patch. Let's check out the system update and see if we get an update. Check for updates. No updates available, so we are, as of this video, on the latest version of the UI for this phone. Let's compare it to some other phones real quick. Here it is against the Xiaomi Mi 6, Redmi 5 Plus, a little bit taller, about the same in terms of thickness. Compare the rear of the phone real fast. There you go. Here it is against the OnePlus 5T, similar fingerprint scanner placement, thinness of the two. And the front, comparing the screens, both 6-inch displays. There you go. And of course, this is the iPhone 10, Redmi 5 Plus, a little bit taller. Check out the thickness. There you go. And the back. Google Pixel 2 XL. Most of these bezel-less phones now, or mostly bezel-less phones, they're all black in the front, but I chose this colorway because it's white. Just thought it would be a little bit different with a white bezel and a 6-inch display in this kind of design. It's not a bad look. screens, both 6-inch displays. Pixel 2 XL has higher resolution. Flipping it over in the back, similar placement on the fingerprint scanner. So let's go ahead and put the clear case on that came with the phone. Just check it out real fast. Slides right in. This clear case adds a lot of grip to this phone. It's crystal clear, so you can still see the design of your Redmi 5 Plus very nicely. Nice big cutout here for your sensors, etc. Cutouts here are on point on the bottom. Button tactility is very nice. Volume rocker, a little bit on the mushy side, but hey, for a free clear case that comes with the device, I'll take it. Access to the fingerprint scanner is not a problem. And checking out the front lip, you don't have much, so I would be very careful putting this flat down on the table like that. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you want me to do with this phone. Speed tests, durability tests, etc. Thanks for watching. Peace out.